Hello everyone, my name is Coding Vampire. So we are going to start the first chapter, Computer Overview. In this chapter we'll learn different components of computer, generation of computer and types of computer. What is computer? Computer is an electronic device which takes the input, processes the input and produces the output. What is data? Data are raw facts. For example, consider this sentence. It's not a sentence, but key feature equality democracy. What is information? Information is meaningful data or processed data. For example, the above sentence is converted to information. Equality is a key feature of democracy. So we can define computer in another way. Computer is an electronic device which takes the data, processes the data and produces the information. Functional component of computer. There are four components: input unit, central processing unit, output unit, and main memory. Input unit. Input unit takes the input from the user in high-level language and convert into machine understandable language called low-level language. Human language comes into the category of high-level language. Example English, Chinese, etc. Low-level language consists of binary code, that is, 0 stands for off, it also means no voltage, and 1 stands for on, it means some voltage. So we'll be writing a program in English language. So English is a high-level language and a computer cannot understand high-level language. So it has to be converted into machine understandable language, that is low-level language. A low-level language consists of binary code, that is 0 and 1. Since computer is an electronic device, it communicates in terms of voltage. Central processing unit. It is the brain of the computer. So what is the function of CPU? It guides, directs and governs the performance. Central processing unit have two components: arithmetic logical unit ALU, control unit CU. Arithmetic logical unit. The ALU perform two kinds of function: arithmetic operation and logical operation. So we'll discuss what is arithmetic operation. Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division are arithmetic operation. For example, we have 23 plus 4 is equal to 27. So due to this plus sign, these number will be added and the answer would be 27. Logical operation like greater than, less than, equal to, greater than, equal to, less than or equal to. Logical operation evaluates to either true or false. For example, 5 less than 9, so it will be true. 5 greater than 9, it will be false. So in arithmetic operation you would get result in some number, but in logical operation the answer would be either true or false. Output unit. Output unit converts the output coming in low level language and converts it into high level language. Example monitor, speaker, etc. When the central processing unit processes the data, it sends the data toward the output unit. So the data coming is in low level language and it has to be converted into high level language so that the user, that is us, can understand it. The memory cell. A memory cell may be defined as a device which can store symbol, that is 0 and 1. And 0 and 1 are called binary. It is a binary language. So here you can see this shaded box is a memory and it can either store 0 or 1. So we have different units of memory. Note that bit is the smallest unit of the memory. 4-bit is equivalent to nibble, 8-bit is equivalent to byte, 2 to the power 10 byte, that is 1224 byte is equal to 1 kilobyte, and so on. Yottabyte, after yottabyte there are units, but it is not necessary to remember all this information. Just keep in mind that 4-bit is equal to nibble, 8-bit is equal to byte, and the rest you can deduce by yourself. Hardware. Hardware are physical component of the computer, for example monitor, keyboard, mouse, etc. Software. Software is a set of programs that governs the operation of a computer system and make the hardware run. A machine is a machine. So if you want the machine to run, you have to install some software in it so that the machine would know what it has to do. So thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I will see you guys in the next tutorial.